Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add color to a specific column in a table in Microsoft Word easy and professionally. Coloring table columns is very useful for highlighting important data, improving reliability, organizing information, and creating visually appealing documents such as reports, assignments, invoices, forms, and academic tables. So, many users color entire table by mistakes or struggle to apply color to only one column. In this video, you will see simple and accurate methods to apply column shading without affecting the rest of the table. So let's get started. We can see already here a table added color. Now I am make the color to a new table. Go to the insert menu. Click this table option. You can create table here, otherwise you can create on manually. Now I am create manually. Go back again the insert and click the table. Select insert table option. Now you can choose the column or row. Now I select the row is 8. Then click OK. We can see here a table. Now I want to add color only one column of this table. Now I am select the column. Go to the design menu and go to the layout. Otherwise you can go to the design, click the shading option and choose any color. Now I am select the color and we can see we added color only one column. Now I write something. We can see we added color easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.